What's up you guys? My name is Eric. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin itong The Funded Trader. Ano bang nangyari sa isa sa pinakamalaking prop firms na operating ngayon? Ano ba yung update as of March 28, 2024? Just today lang, they posted in their Twitter account, The Funded Trader, saying that they will temporarily pause ang kanilang mga operations. Now, if hindi nyo pa alam anong nangyari doon sa post nila or ano yung nangyari sa kanila, let's read this together. Sa post po nila sa Twitter, ito po yung sinabi. Actually, yung nagsabi po nito ay yung si Angelo. I guess ito yung may-ari ng Funded Trader, CEO ng Funded Trader. Sabi po nila, I wanted to address you all personally. Ito ay sa lahat ng kanilang mga clients. You have been the lifeblood of the Funded Trader. You have fought in the battle with me day in and day out for years. You have participated in one of the greatest movements in history and have delivered to me what I dreamed of this community. Okay? Being in this position we are in, it completely floors me to say that we have to pause. This is very, very sad. To pause operation of the Funded Trader. Now, yung iniisip ko nito, yung mga taong kakabili lang ng kanilang evaluations, yung mga taong magpa-plan na kumuha na sana kanilang payout, o yung mga hindi pa naka-payout. I mean, lalo na yung malalaking account na kinuha nila, no? So, tingnan natin patuloy, what does that mean? The most important thing to us to deliver to all our existing customers. Okay, there is an experience you all have come to love with the Funded Trader. That is our main focus. Yun yung focus nila. In pausing our operation, we will be relaunching the brand, but with a slightly different look and feel. So siguro, I guess yung pagkakaintindi ko dito, iibahin nila yung pangalan na, and maybe other some mga gamit nila ng mga words, no, sa kanilang brand mismo. And over the coming week, we'll post updates. Hopefully tanggap pa tayo ng mga updates po on what this will look like and how this decision affects everyone involved. We know the main points of our community, and these things are what will be addressed in the coming days and weeks. The relaunch of TIFT is coming, and earning your trust will be difficult. Well, sobrang mahirap talaga to, especially for those accounts na kakabili lang at sana mag-withdraw na. Will be difficult, but we know what it takes. The time for action is now. I want to thank you all. Support Loyalty Energy. The future of the one is coming. Angelo. Well, sobrang hirap nito na kung ikaw ay maybe nasa the Funded Trader, ano, um I'm very kumbaga sad, no, but nagpapakita pa naman sila ng somehow a reason for us to be optimistic here. No, ako personally, wala akong account sa The Funded Trader, pero iniisip ko dito yung mga kakapasok lang talaga or yung magwi-withdraw na sana, alam mo yung ini-expect mo na. Before kasi ito nangyari, nagkaroon kasi ng maraming reklamo din The Funded Trader, yung mga payout na hindi nila nilalabas. So sunod-sunod po yung mga complaints about payouts. If pupunta ka sa website nila, yung makikita mo ay ganito lang. Okay, the Funded Trader has temporary paused all operations. Lahat to. Okay, we sincerely appreciate your patient understanding as we are working diligently on the steps of resuming our operations and services. Over the coming week, we'll follow up specific as we work to resume operations. So they are still planning, no, hindi kagaya ng mga previous na mga prop firms. Wala kasing ganito 'yun eh. Okay, and then the future is coming. The future is coming, they said. And then merong kumbaga time na nakalagay dito. We don't know anong mangyayari, but if you are one of these traders right here and you really love or maybe very loyal to this prop firm, nakuha na nila yung trust mo, for sure yung mga tao na yun, they are doing their best naman kung meron talagang nangyayari. I hope na itong mga tao na to ay kumbaga genuine sa kanilang sinasabi dito. Well, yun lang naman. I am just kumbaga word kasi sunod-sunod na ito na nangyari sa mga prop firm. Well, ako as a funded trader as well, I have an account dito sa FTMO, and this is also kumbaga ipakita ko lang sa inyo, isang challenge account ko din, $10,000 account lang sa FTMO, and so far in the past few days ako ay nasa naka-straight lang tayo diyan, wala masyadong malaking nangyayari sa account natin. Unang-una sa lahat, maybe because wala akong masyadong time to trade this past few weeks, but this coming weeks ay may nakita na tayong mga time kasi meron din akong trabaho personally like most of us guys here. So may mga nakita na akong time this coming weeks na makapag-trade tayo, and hopefully makita natin itong account ko na to past phase 1 para matagdagan yun natin mga account natin. So medyo mababa yung aking profit factor dito, pero at least mataas tayo sa 1, and yung average risk reward ratio natin is 2.3 at least. So for today, marami tayong actually mga losses, pero yung nakita niyo mga losses natin ay maliliit compare sa every time we win. Well, yun lang naman. Siguro mag-update din ako in the future anong mangyayari dito. Siguro I encourage you, no, kung ikaw ay nawala ng account dito sa The Funded Trader, just wag kang sumuko. There are still lots of trusted na mga prop firms. This is part of your story sa success mo. In the future, when you become a successful trader, magiging part to sa story mo na you will thank yourself in the future because hindi ka sumuko sa mga ganitong klaseng pangyayari. Well, yun lang everyone. Thank you so much. I hope you will have a good day. Bye-bye.